Astronaut Michael Collins is speaking at a banquet, and he quoted that the average man speaks about 25,000 words a day. And the average woman, you know this, speaks 30,000 words a day. And then he added only, I don't know, probably this is a later data. And then he adds, unfortunately, when a husband comes home, he already spoken his 25,000 words. And the wife hasn't started her 30,000 words. That's the difference, right? Words are better indicator of a person's true character, which means we need to carefully plan what we say to people, even in the context of a relationship or in the church. There's the right words at the right time, but it is the right moment and right motivation.